Hey YouTube, so as you can see, I took out my braids and yeah, it took forever. It took about 7 hours. I started around 10:15 last night and I finished today around 1 o'clock. Just wanted to show y'all my hair. I haven't had a relaxer on most of my hair since March of 2014, and I haven't had a relaxer on the remaining portions of my hair since May 2014. And today I've made a decision, y'all. I do not want to transition anymore. I do not want to be natural at all. I am going back to the creamy crack. I am sorry. I know some of y'all naturalistas are going to be very upset with me about this, but I never made a commitment to either side, and I can't do this. It's so long, y'all. Like, look at how long my hair has gotten. Pregnancy really grew out my natural hair so much, and I don't want to be natural anymore, or transitioned or whatever. I don't. My hair, I don't want to do it. But I wanted to show you all, I wanted to do a hair update because I did make that transition while pregnant. I still think that natural hair is beautiful. I think that you should do whatever you want to do with your hair. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do what works for me. And for me right now, this half relaxed, transitioned hair with so much hair to pack where I could just actually big chop and have an afro is just too much for me, because I'm not going to get rid of my length. My hair is very healthy. So yeah, I'm just going to work on that. I've been putting a Jamaican black castor oil on my hair ever since I put those last set of braids in, and it really has helped. So I will be putting that in the areas where I feel like it was a little bit of thinning from braids. But yeah, y'all, I'm going to go. It's been a long afternoon. See y'all later. Hey YouTube, so I'm back. I'm about to get a relaxer. And I got my brows done today, my nails done. Hey, I'm about to get a perm. Get a perm, a relaxer. Oh my goodness, like I look like Chewbacca. Chewbacca. I don't know, y'all, I'm crazy. Oh my gosh, I really see the little fro that I would have had if I wasn't getting a perm today. I have the perm. Perm. She poured the oil in already, y'all. This is the perm I've been using for years, so I just got the same kind. She just stirring it. I know some of y'all natural people mad because I'm finna get a perm, but I look like Chewbacca Boo. Do it again, Joseph. You gonna do that again. Do what you was just doing. Go on. Jump out the car seat, Josiah. Okay, I'm gonna go over here.
Come on.
Josiah. Look, Josiah. You not studying me.
Come on. Do it for the snickle bar.
Do it for the vine, boo.
Do it for YouTube, Josiah.
Yeah, but
Do it for YouTube. Do it for YouTube, Josiah.
Do it for that bottle of milk.
Okay. Hey, Josiah, come on. Come on. You not gonna do it. You was trying to get out of here a few minutes ago. Do it again. Do it again. No, do it again. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna get like I was. Look at this. Yeah. La. Come on and get out like you were doing.
I'm not gonna do it.
Come on and do it like you were getting it. Y'all, he don't want to do it. This little boy edged himself out of the car
I
seat,
saw him.
and he won't do it again.
Looking like the Matrix.
That's like that time I was trying to catch him eating his feet, and every time I brought the camera to take a picture, he would stop doing it. You smart. You know I'm trying to get you on camera, huh? Okay. Come on. Try to get out. Try to get out. So I've been sitting in here with this relaxer in my hair for a couple of minutes, and it's finally starting to tingle, but it wasn't at first.
We're ready when you
All right.
Right. So yeah, I'm excited because I'm gonna have my edges laid to the gods. Laid. Finally gonna get my deep condition on.
Weeks and older, whose flu symptoms started within the last 2 days. Before taking Toad, tell your doctor if you're pregnant, nursing, have serious health conditions, or take other medicines. If you develop an allergic reaction, a severe rash, or signs of unusual behavior, stop taking Toad and call your doctor immediately. Children and adolescents in particular may be at an increased risk of seizures, confusion, or abnormal behavior. The most common side effects are mild to moderate nausea and vomiting. Call your doctor right away. Don't lose another moment to the flu. When there's flu,
All right, y'all. So this is the finished result. Ended up cutting some of it, and I really, really like it. It is so pretty, girl. I look like the relaxer box laid. How long it is in the back? It's still hitting a good piece. The back of my hair. I can still put it in a ponytail. I'm loving it, y'all. And I'm going to definitely be wearing my real hair for a while to train it and to get it back in shape and healthy, because those braids have taken a toll on it. But it looks so cute. Yes. Bye, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed my update.